Are you planning a gender reveal party and want to create a magical, unforgettable atmosphere? Looking for fun, creative, and unique decoration ideas to wow your guests? Whether you're keeping it classic with pink and blue or looking for something totally different, I've got 10 amazing gender reveal decor ideas that will make your celebration truly special. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal one decor trick that will surprise and delight everyone at your party.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are the best color themes for a gender reveal party? Choosing the right color scheme sets the perfect tone for your gender reveal. Classic pink and blue is always a go-to choice, keeping guests guessing. If you want something unique, try a pastel or neutral theme, using soft yellows, mint green, or lavender. Another fun option is a gold and white theme, with a pop of color for the big reveal. Loving these ideas so far? Like and share this video with anyone planning a gender reveal. How can I create an eye-catching gender reveal backdrop? A stunning backdrop is essential for photos and videos. A balloon arch with a mix of pink, blue, and neutral shades makes a perfect focal point. Consider a curtain of fairy lights with a boy or girl neon sign for an elegant look. If you want something unique, a custom backdrop with baby-themed cutouts like tiny onesies or pacifiers adds an extra cute touch. Want to see more backdrop inspirations? Check the description for my full list of recommendations. What are some creative gender reveal centerpiece ideas? Centerpieces are an easy way to bring your theme to life. Mason jars filled with pink and blue flowers make a simple yet elegant option. Try mini chalkboard signs where guests can write their predictions before the reveal. If you want something interactive, set up small baby bottles with candy inside, 1/2 pink, 1/2 blue, for a sweet and fun touch. Which centerpiece idea do you love the most? Comment below and let me know. What are the best table decoration ideas for a gender reveal party? Your table settings should match the excitement of the event. Use themed plates, cups, and napkins in your chosen colors to keep things cohesive. Add small confetti-filled balloons on each plate for an extra surprise. If you're doing a dessert table, label treats with Team Boy and Team Girl for a fun touch. Want more table setting ideas? Subscribe for weekly party decor inspiration. How can I decorate the gender reveal cake table? The cake table is a major highlight of any gender reveal party. Use a tiered stand to showcase cupcakes with pink and blue filling. A mystery cake with a hidden color inside creates a big moment when cut. To elevate the decor, surround the cake with baby-themed props like rattles, mini baby shoes, or an adorable stuffed teddy. Which reveal treat do you prefer, cake or cupcakes? Drop your answer in the comments. What are some fun balloon decoration ideas? Balloons are a must-have for any gender reveal party. A giant black balloon filled with pink or blue confetti is a classic way to reveal the gender. Set up a balloon garland in pastel colors for a trendy look. If you want something more interactive, hand out pop-to-reveal balloons to guests and let them discover the surprise together. Want more balloon decor ideas? Check the description for links to my favorite pics. What are some DIY gender reveal decor ideas? DIY decorations add a personal touch to the celebration. Create your own confetti poppers with tissue paper and biodegradable confetti. Make hand-painted mason jars with pink and blue ribbons for holding utensils or flowers. For a budget-friendly backdrop, hang paper streamers in pastel shades for a vibrant and colorful effect. Love DIY decor? Check the description for my full DIY playlist. How can I make the entrance stand out? First impressions matter, and your entrance should set the mood. A he or she welcome sign with cute baby illustrations is a perfect greeting. Lay out a pink and blue carpet leading to the party area for a fun VIP feel. For a grand touch, set up an archway decorated with tulle and fairy lights to create a magical effect. Do you prefer a grand or minimal entrance? Let me know in the comments. These 10 gender reveal decoration ideas will make your celebration unforgettable. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for all my favorite gender reveal decor pics. Let's make this reveal one to remember.